All right, what's going on, guys? So in this video, guys, I'm going to show you how to use the cheat code system. So the cheat code system can uh, contains Vinnie's trading cheat code, which I'm going to show you that right here. Here's Vinnie's trading cheat code. You have the bands. You have a 47 moving average. That is Vinnie's trading cheat code. Next thing that we have as an indicator is our HBS scanner. This is based off my tri-frame alignment theory, where when there's 3 time frames in alignment, you're going to get a signal that's going to offer you the highest probability trade. So this is what that scanner does. It searches for the highest probability trade. Okay. And then we have the CC trend indicator with oversold and overbought high probability reversal areas. Okay. So I'm going to show you how I use this. All right. So the first thing that I do, guys, is I'm only taking trades off the HBS scanner. Why? HBS scanner is going to give me, again, the highest probability trade. So I know that we're going to have a reversal in the market, and I want to take those trades. So right now we're on the daily time frame on gold. Okay. And as you can see on gold, market structure is telling us that gold is bearish, right? So we just had a major break of structure here. After a break of structure is always a pullback. So the HPS scanner is telling us to buy gold on the daily time frame. Cool. So we're going to buy gold on the daily time frame. Now, let's turn on the CC scanner. So the CC scanner, as you guys can see at the bottom, prices outside of the band, we have a cheat code buy signal. All right. We have that. So now what we want to do, since we have that confluence or that confirmation, we want to go down to the 4 hour time frame, right? 4 hour time frame, we're always going to use the GSA strategy, which stands for grow small accounts, right? GSA strategy is that what we're looking for on the 4 hours time frame is a 4 hour signal. So we have our 4 hour signal right here. Okay. Now all we have to do is go down to the 1 hour time frame, and we're looking for a break and retest. Okay. We had a break and retest on the 4 hour right here, but what we're looking for our entry is the 1 hour break and retest. So let's take a look and see if we have that here. So this is where our 4 hour signal was. We also had the 1 hour signal in alignment. We have our CC buy, also a divergence buy signal. Price broke the Hall moving average. The Hall moving average is usually the line that's in between the two bands here. That's the HMA. All right, we had our break. Price went all the way up to 1832, came all the way back down to retest. We had some news that came out. Price shot back up again, came back down to retest again. Now price should be moving in our direction. As you can see from the 47 moving average, price is actually touching the 47 moving average. We had a reaction. So now we're looking for a price to go ahead and break the 47 moving average. Okay. We know that we're moving up because of the higher time frame. Higher time frame is telling us our direction, our reversal that's happening in the market. Okay. So that's how I use the cheat code system. Very, very simple. I'm taking signals off the HPS scanner, and I'm just going down to the 4 hour time frame, guys, and using the GSA strategy. GSA strategy again is the 4 hour signal, 1 hour break and retest. Once we had our break and retest, at any time we can buy at this area, at this demand area here. As you guys can see, at any time we can buy at this demand area. Of course, price is going to consolidate a little bit like it's doing right now, but eventually we're going to get a breakout for gold to shoot up. Okay. Very, very simple, easy to understand. Now, let me show you another example. Let's say you didn't get in at the beginning of a trend. Let's take a look. Let's go to the daily time frame, and let's go to CAD CHF. Okay. I told you guys about this, I think about a week ago, about CAD CHF. Came up here. We're going to get a reversal. We got that reversal. Let's say you missed this entire move, okay? But there's still going to be some more down movement on CAD CHF. So what do we want to do? We want to go to actually down to the 1 hour time frame and catch the pullback on a 1 hour time frame. Okay. So on the 1 hour time frame, if we turn on our CC trend indicator, you can see that price is moving in the downward direction. In accordance with the daily time frame, price is moving down, right? So all we have to do now is wait for a pullback, okay? All we have to do now is wait for a pullback. So what we're looking for is same thing that happened before here. Price said buy, this is a pullback. Price got to the highest point and then it continued down lower, okay? So that's what we're looking for now. We're looking for price to come up and then continue down lower, right? So now there's two scenarios that can happen. You can either trade the short-term pullback or you can wait for price to get a CC sell. Okay. So now we got a CC buy here. So we could buy and get 20, 30 pips off this move. Probably less than that. This is CAD CHF. Let's say 10 to 15 pips off this move. Or we can wait till we get a CC sell and trade with the trend. See how easy that is, guys? All we're going to simply do is once we get a CC sell on a 1 hour time frame, we actually can set an alert. So we can set an alert. Go to add alert. We want to go to condition, go to Vinnie's trading cheat code. Next thing we want to do is go down to here to CC sell. Once per bar closed, and then hit create. Okay. So the next time we get a CC sale that pops up, we're going to get an alert on the 1 hour time frame, and then we'll know we can take this trade to trade with the trend. Okay. It's just that simple, guys. It's just that simple. Keep trading simple. Okay. So that's how I use Vinnie's trading cheat code. Very, very easy to understand, guys. If I am not receiving a signal on the daily, if I don't have a HPS signal on the daily or the 4 hour time frame, then usually I'm not looking to take a trade unless I'm looking to take a trade, a scalping trade, maybe off the 1 hour. Okay. So right now they're telling us to take two trades. We can take a sell on AUD CAD or we can buy oil. Okay. So let's take a look at both of those real quick. AUD CAD is bullish. Okay. So it's telling us to take a sell. So if we're knowing that we're bullish, we know that the trend is bullish. So let's go to the daily time frame real quick to confirm that the trend is bullish. Okay. So daily time frame, the overall trend is bearish. This is just a pullback on the daily time frame. Remember that. Just a pullback on the daily time frame, right? So knowing that, we go back to the 1 hour. We could either take this sell and get a couple pips on AUD CAD, or we can wait to take a buy trade on AUD CAD. Okay. Either or will be just fine. All right. You could definitely take a sell trade and get your 20, 25 pips. So say if we hopped in now, yeah, we have potential definitely more than enough to get 20, 25 pips off this trade here. Okay. So that wouldn't be a bad trade. Let's take a look at oil. Okay. The trend on oil is bearish. Okay. Let's take a look at the daily and see what the overall trend is. The overall trend on the daily time frame is bullish. Okay. So we know that price is bullish on oil and price is doing a pullback. Now we could continue lower here on the daily time frame, which I do see a potential of price coming down lower on US oil. Okay. Let's take a look at the weekly real quick, just to give us an idea on, yes, so price can definitely drop lower on oil on the weekly time frame. So we're definitely going to get a pullback on the daily for price to go lower. So let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame again. And hopefully I'm not confusing you guys. But we can definitely take a buy here on oil, right? We know that oil is making lower lows and lower highs, right? So are we looking for price to pull back to an area of resistance? So if we turn on the indicator, we can see that we have a level of resistance right here, right? It already marks it out for you. That's our level of resistance. Let me turn off this real quick so you guys can see. So that is our level of resistance. So what we're looking for price to pull up and then drop down lower. Okay. That is our expectation if we wanted to trade oil. So there's two scenarios we could do. You either trade against the trend, or we can wait for price to get up here and get a CC sell and then take the trade in the direction of the higher time frame. Again, the direction of the higher time frame on the daily time frame is bearish, as you can see. Overall trend is bullish, but right now we're still bearish. All right. So we're looking for price to maybe get down to this demand area here off the daily. All right. So that is how I use the Vinnie's trading cheat code system, guys. Very, very simple, easy to understand. I'm looking for signals off the daily or 4-hour time frame. Okay. Let's go back to gold. If you already missed the initial move, okay. If you missed the initial move, all you have to do, guys, is just go down to the 1-hour time frame and trade in the direction of the daily time frame. Right? So it's telling us to buy gold here off the daily time frame. We already have our break and retest on the 4-hour time frame. Right? Let me show you the break and retest. Break and retest is very simple. It broke the whole moving average, came back up, came back down and retest the low here. Now we're looking for price to head up higher. Okay. That is the goal with gold. Okay. And you guys will see that with the news events this week. Gold may consolidate a little bit, but you will see a push by the end of this week. I'll actually do a review on Friday to let you guys see how this really works. Okay. Other than that, make sure you guys go get the cheat code system, guys. It will make you, it's going to help you become consistently profitable, right? It's all on you and how well you follow directions. If you can follow directions and be disciplined with your trading, not looking to be in the market all the time, you can succeed with this system, right? There's a lot of people in our group that are becoming consistently profitable. There was actually a member who I wanted to share with you guys his results. So let me show you his results real quick. Let me go ahead and bring it up on Telegram so you guys can see this. It's truly amazing. This is a trade that I called out for AUD for a sale. I don't know if you guys remember this. Let's go to the daily time frame. But on the daily time frame, we have our support that turned resistance. Price came back up to the resistance. Overall trend is bearish. Okay, market structure is king, guys. Market structure is king. Overall trend is bearish. As you guys can see, price is rejecting this area. Okay, so if I turn on the cheat code indicator, you guys are going to see a sell, which is a divergent sell. If you go down to the 4-hour time frame, you guys are going to see a CC sell. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you this testimony. We had a member inside of our group who took this trade. He said, I definitely caught the AUDCHF sales. Thank you. Thanks to your analysis. And let's go ahead and show you his results. So he turned $373 was his balance, and he turned that into over $1,100 simply by following my analysis, guys, on AUDCHF. And again, I got this trade off the HPS scanner. Okay. This is a trade that I got off the HPS scanner. So our system does work if you follow the rules. and if you are patient with your trading, guys. So if you want to learn more about the cheat code system, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and join our group. Okay. Thank you. And I'll see you in the next video.